With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, here two statements regarding the origin of life are given and you have to say that if these statements are true or false. So the first statement is the earliest organisms that appeared on earth were non-green and presumably anaerobic. So when the earliest organisms appeared on earth, the earth atmosphere had no oxygen and the only source of nutrition that was available was under the seas and oceans. So the only under the seas and oceans there were food sources and there were no oxygen in the atmosphere. So the organisms they appeared first, they were simple bacteria, and these bacteria are collectively known as heterotrophic anaerobes. Why anaerobes? Because as there was no oxygen in the atmosphere, so they could not use oxygen to breathe, so they are anaerobes. And they are heterotrophic, meaning that they couldn't produce their own food and they depended on these seas and oceans for supply of nutrition. So they were heterotrophs and they were anaerobes, so they were together known as heterotrophic anaerobes. So this first statement, it is right because they were non-green, because the green bacteria they can synthesize their own food, but as there was no oxygen they could not breathe oxygen and they could not prepare their own food. So this is a true statement. The second statement given is the first autotrophic organisms were the chemoautotrophs that never released oxygen. So the chemotrophs, they are a kind of organisms. These chemotrophs, they obtain energy by oxidation of electron donors in their environment. There are electron donors which give them energy. They oxidize these electron donors, so by the oxidation they get energy. But like the photoautotrophs meaning the green plants, they can prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. So they cannot do that. They depend on other chemical substances other than the oxygen. Okay. So certain bacteria, they could use chemical energy to produce their own food, but they never released oxygen because again there was severe oxygen shortage or there was no oxygen in the atmosphere of the earth at that time. So the green plants they appeared very late when the earth's atmosphere was more stabilized, and the first autotrophic organisms, that is which could synthesize their own food, they never released oxygen, they were chemotrophs. So this is also a true statement. Thus here both A and B are correct, both the statements are correct, and this is the right option for this question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.